Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to help you out how to choose between interactive brokers on the left and on the right, Trade Republic. And before starting this comparison video, I want to make one thing clear, and that is, I won't tell you which platform is better. Both platforms are fine, and I wrote down 5 topics, and I will tell you on those topics the differences on both platforms. Because both can be useful, but they are made for different types of investors. One is more focused on professional global trading, and the other is more focused on simple mobile investing, especially for people in Europe. So hopefully, after watching this video, you know exactly which platform will fit you the best. The goal is to help you understand which one matches your experience level, your investing style, your region, and the type of tools you actually need. So let's start right here with the main focus. And the main focus on interactive brokers is that Interactive Brokers is a global investing and professional trading platform. Trade Republic is a mobile-first investing and long-term wealth-building application platform. So, in simple words, Interactive Brokers is built more for active traders and global investors who want access to many markets and advanced tools. Trade Republic is built more for people who want a simple app to invest in stocks, ETFs, and savings plans over the long term. Then, if you look to Interactive Brokers is the best for advanced traders and global investors. And Trade Republic is the best for beginner and long-term ETF investors, especially in Europe. So if you are experienced, trade often, or want access to global markets, Interactive Brokers can be a strong choice. But if you are a beginner, live in Europe, and mainly want to build a long-term ETF portfolio, Trade Republic may feel easier and more practical. If you look to the trading tools, Interactive Broker has stocks, ETFs, options, futures, forex, bonds, and global markets. Trade Republic has stocks, ETFs, saving plans, and simple investing tools. This means Interactive Brokers gives you more advanced products and more global access. Trade Republic keeps the tools simpler, which can actually be a benefit if your goal is not active trading, but regular investing through stocks, ETFs, and automatic saving plans. The interface on Interactive Broker is powerful, and it's a professional platform, and it's a little bit more complex if you ask me. Trade Republic is very simple, mobile-first, and beginner-friendly. So when you're a complete beginner, I think you can better start with Trade Republic. A simple interface can help you understand investing faster, because you do not get overwhelmed by advanced charts, order types, and professional trading settings. Interactive Brokers takes more time to learn, but once you understand it, it gives you much more control. If you look to the fees and trading costs, Interactive Brokers has low commissions, tight spreads, and margin interest for leverage trading, and Trade Republic has low flat fees per trade. Costs also come from spreads and currency conversion fees, so keep that in mind. This is very important, because even simple investing apps can still have costs. You should always check the full pricing details, especially if you buy assets in another currency or trade outside your local market. Then, if you ask me, choose Interactive Brokers if you want a global market access, very low trading cost, and a professional platform for active or international investing. This is the better option if you want more markets, more advanced tools, and a platform that can support serious trading or international portfolio building. And choose Trade Republic if you want a simple mobile investing app for a long-term ETF investing, saving plans, and easy local trading in Europe. This is the better option if you want to invest from your phone, build your portfolio slowly, use ETF saving plans, and keep the whole investing process simple and beginner-friendly. So hopefully, after seeing this video, you know exactly right now which platform will fit you the best. The simple way to remember it is this. Interactive Brokers is stronger for advanced and global investors, while Trade Republic is easier for beginners and long-term ETF investors in Europe.